Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how can you change the Audacity appearance to dark mode from the light mode. So now you can see I have the light mode in Audacity. So to make it dark, first of all you need to go to edit, and after that go to preferences. So even you can press Ctrl P and you can see the preferences interface. After that you need to go to interface right over here, and after that you can see the theme right over here. So you can change even the language, but English is better for me. So after that, because I know English, and after that you need to go to theme, and you can see there's one option called classic. So after that, when you put it, and you can see the icons have been changed, but I hate it. So after that, again I'm going to go to preferences, and you can see when you put to light mode, the default one is the light mode, so I don't like it. After that, when you go to dark mode, click dark and press OK, and you can see it's like orange and black. So when I click record, you can see the wave is like from orange color like this. So after that, when you go to preferences again, you can set to high contrast. You can see it's like too much black. If you like it, you can just click, but I don't like it. So, and after that you can even use custom color. I don't know what's that. Yeah, I don't know what's that custom thing, but I like dark color, so I'm gonna make it dark, and you can record. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. So if you learned something new, smash that subscribe and like button, and also share this with your friends, and also comment for more videos. So until next time, goodbye.